Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
this is a geothermal spa. All of the elements are silica, sulfur, and algae.
So we're now applying our skincare. This is silica mud mask. This is good for the skin. This is our second destination, the Hallgrímskirkju Church. We're gonna see the skyline of Reykjavik.
Morning, and it's day 2 in Iceland. We are going to the Golden Circle.
We've arrived here in Thingvellir National Park.
Here is the waterfall.
We are now here in the volcanic crater. They're coming to me! This way. Skogafoss.
Here is the Shocker Glacier. It will erupt every 5 or 6 to 10 minutes.
Good morning, guys. We're now living in this beautiful apartment, the Limor apartment. Everything is packed. How about lunch? Are you ready? Is the room tidy here? I already tidied it up. Let's go.
Hello.
We are going now.
Yeah, we'll leave this place.
Do you like this place? I do. Bye. So we are going to get petrol from Ulis. It's been raining up to now. No change for the past 3 days. Look at the landscape. It's all algae and snow, hills and mountains. Look at this. It's zero visibility. You cannot see anything now.
Put the lights on.
We're on our way to Vik, and we're like in a different planet now. Everything is white. We can't see anything now. We are now here in Skogafoss Waterfalls. It is here, guys. It is.
Hello.
Here we are.
Adventure.is.
We are here now in Skogafoss Waterfalls. This is the parking. We are meant to be paying 700 ISK, which is about £5. Good, I have GoPro. My own. Look at that. Hi. Look at that. Here we are. We've arrived here in Skogafoss Waterfalls. I shall open this so we can see the Skogafoss from afar. This is Skogafoss Waterfalls. We're gonna walk up there, right at the top, so we can view the waterfall from above. Waterfalls. We're gonna do what? Can you see that stairs going up? We're gonna count how many steps is that.
376.
Is it?
Yes.
How did you know?
I researched on it.
Oh my gosh, I cheated! I'm not counting
Nice your shoes.
No. Yeah, actually, yeah, you can. There you go. One, two, three.
Look at that! It's high! Ah. Ang ganda, Daddy, oh. Wow, the landscape here is spectacular. Finally, I reached the top. Yes, yes. Birthplace. How are you feeling? You okay? This is Skogafoss Waterfalls from above. Wow. Dance!
How
Look
many
at the
steps?
falls. Come on, dance. Daddy and Mommy, see here, look. He's scared of heights. Now to the car, but this is easier now. This is easier than going up. And now we're in the ground again. We're gonna watch now the falls from the ground. We were up there earlier, up there. Now we're here, and there's the falls.
Hey, look at my laces. They look super good.
You Ismail. Welcome to the old houses of Shilio. And that house is there. Hans is now sitting in the front.
Here you go.
Turn over my stuff.
Yes. We're going on this super long
Journey.
thing for 30 minutes.
Yeah, we're going to walk towards the plain grass side. Going that way. I don't know how long is this gonna be.
It's gonna be so long.
Because Daddy wants to go there.
I know.
It is empty land, empty black sand. Yes, there's no houses here.
Yeah,
Nothing.
look at that.
Here we are now. Finally we arrive. Hi! Finally we arrive after an hour of hiking. We are tired, people.
This is your punishment, Daddy. You have to make me 2 pizzas.
And now we're gonna fly the drone.
Yes.
Bye, drone! Go to the DC-3. It's so good. Look at this.
Am I out of the way?
What about you, Lance? Did you want to come and join Mommy? Finally, we're going back to the car.
We're going there, Daddy. Watch.
Going there.
Daddy's already there.
One last look of the road where we've
Let's
walked.
go.
We're now back here in our car after 2 hours in a really uncemented road. It was great. I climbed on top of the airplane. So clever of them. They're using a bike. This is the reception of our hotel. Yeah, we are here now in Black Beach Suites, and we have a complimentary drink. One Sprite, maybe we'll have a Coke, and last we'll have Fanta, I think. Okay. So we are here now in a rented apartment.
Hello, people of the universe, and we are at our suites. They're very sweet.
Number 18. So this is Black Beach Suites. Now here we are. I'm gonna put our shoes there.
Wait, oh.
Oh wow! Oh my god! Look at the toilet. Lush. And look at the shower. And here is the sink. Oh, and the mirror. My god! Look at me. I look awful here. Let me see what's in here. And nothing else. There are big wardrobes here. That's our bags. Oh, there's an extra duvet, Daddy. That's empty. And this is the room. Oh, oh my God. Oh, Lance, what are you doing there? So we turn on the light, anak. Is there any light here?
Yeah.
Can you turn on the light, please? Oh my God. This is beautiful, Lance. The view is amazing.
Ready?
Yeah, I have a key.
Oh, you have a key? Oh, okay.
It's here. Sorry, I'm just excited. I'm thinking.
No, I just gave it to
We
you,
have a
so that's fine.
website and we have a YouTube
We
channel.
have a travel blog.
We just started.
Really? How it's called?
Life blog
Travel.
travel.
Where is it? Where is my phone?
And then we have a YouTube channel.
Wow, that's so nice. Thank
It's
you.
you.
Where is the black sandwich?
So
the
that's
one
one
with
that
the
you
basalt
see the-
column.
The one with the basalt columns are here. If you go back on this street,
Yeah.
the small one, turn on the right,
Mhm.
and 3 minutes by car, at the end of the road, you are there.
Ah, okay. Then the Dolhore is that one there.
Deer Hollow, yeah, it's that one.
Okay. And Jokulsarlon is quite
Mhm.
far from this one. This one.
Is
So how
something
many
like
hours?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, something like 2 hours. Hi. So,
Where's the nearest grocery here?
it's in Vic.
A big.
Yeah, and you have to drive 8 minutes, something like this.
not far.
And it's a kronan.
Mm,
So it's,
yeah. Mm.
it's a little bit more expensive than
Yes,
pounds.
Guru.
Okay, so see you later.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
thank you.
Thank you.
Here's Daddy preparing our dinner. We have 2 beds.
Digestive.
Digestive, yeah, I want coffee. There is a sofa bed and a nice table here overlooking the black sand beach. Oh my God. This is my view. Isn't this beautiful? Our dinner.
Spam.
Look at the view. We have this lovely view. My goodness. I have spam for the night. I am very good in cooking spam. You just slice it like that. This is all I know.
We brought our own food.
Yeah,
There he
it's
is,
just cheaper.
enjoying the smart TV. Lance!
We have our own one.
This is not breakfast, okay? This is dinner.
And this place has underfloor heating.
And then, after that, we're gonna have egg. Look, we also bought the egg from Bonus Supermarket. How many eggs do we need, Daddy?
Okay?
Finished, thank you. Baka. Nasa ng takip mo ito? Wala ba itong pantakip pag nagdagano tutulan siya? See? Hindi ba ang lakas itong ano mo? Ito ba? Paano bang minus nito? First dinner in Vec.
Yes.
We have some egg,
Nothing messes what I
rice, spam, and Lance got pizza. I was the chef. I'm hungry now, so it's time for me to have my dinner. Daddy will sit there. Daddy will sit there so I have a nice view. Okay? Good morning, guys. This is day 4 here in Iceland. We are actually in Vec. And this is the view this morning. Let me just show you the view. Alright. Day 4, Iceland. Right, it's raining again, as you can see. There we are. Whoops, and it's windy, Lance. I'll stay in the front because so here we are now. I'm gonna go in the car. It's raining and it's windy. You feel that? There's our cottage. I shall open the window so we can see the black sand. It's black sand as far as your eyes can see. Quickly stop here. We are in Calavaro. Look at this area here. You can have a picnic if you want. There's no one here apart from us. Snow storms. Algae everywhere. Second stop because we want to see the algae. This is the good thing when you have your own car, we can just stop anywhere. Dad is going to fly the drone. Algae everywhere. It's a chocolate hills in Iceland. It's not cocoa colors, it's brown colors, but it looks like the small hills. It's like the one in the Philippines. There's so many waterfalls over there. The scenery is out of this world. I wanna come back here.
Winter.
Maybe winter, yeah, so we can see the northern light. We are now near Jokulsarlon. We traveled from Vec. So on our way going to the Glacier Lagoon, we've seen the black sand beach. Then there were like algae, mountains, like chocolate hills. And this time, look! It's snowy mountains!
Snowy mountain.
Really good.
Why did we stop, Daddy? What's the problem?
Bridge.
Welcome, Jokulsarlon. We are here
Hi,
Oh
Jokulsarlon.
my lord, this is so beautiful. There's the iceberg. It's a glacier lagoon. We're gonna go there after having our soup. It's a lobster soup and it's so yummy. Hi Daddy, hi Lance. We are here now in the Jokulsarlon.
Wow. That's a huge float line.
Lance. Look at this. We are in the Glacier Lagoon. There's a seal. Where are you? I lost him. Oh, it's gone. I'm actually here in the middle of the lagoon. I'm stepping in this big chunk of ice. Yeah, you can take a picture of me. Just one more look of the Jokulsarlon or the Glacier Lagoon. This is the Diamond Beach here in Jokulsarlon. Look at these big chunks of ice. It's all spread all over this black sand beach. Time for us to go. We're going back now to Vec after 3 hours here in the Diamond Beach and the Glacier Lagoon. We're getting really fast. We're gonna get some petrol. It is a diesel. Oh my god, it's so windy here. We're in a petrol station because we're running out of gas. But it looks deserted. There's a machine where you have to pay the petrol, but there's no one here. Take a video of the surrounding. Colorful houses on the right side.
Ethiopia. Yeah.
You kept on answering this one when I said some other African countries. Oh my gosh!
Congo. Garbage thing.
Look at these houses here.
What is Zaire?
Oh yeah, I've seen that
Africa.
before, Daddy. What was it?
Misting.
We've arrived in Vec after 2.5 hours drive. And we've run out of fuel, so we need to refuel again.
Ano na?
There we are. Paano pag may pin number again? There's a restaurant here and we're a bit hungry. We're here in Kronam supermarket. We need to buy some food. Yogurt,
One of this.
blueberry, and some strawberry yogurt. Okay, put it there. Put it in the basket.
How much is this?
This is cheaper kasi. That is 173 lang. So how much is the hot dog? 399. The hot dog. Hindi yung the other. Yeah, okay. One of that bread.
Can I buy him up?
One water, please. Okay, what's enough na?
No, I'll have these.
We put this one first. Look at this one, oh. I like this. It's very expensive here. So, ang isa, it's $7.90. It's 6 pounds. It's quite big.
Welcome in Iceland. The soup must be something like the star of YouTube, okay?
Can I take a video of you?
Enjoy.
Thank you. Lamb and potato with some carrots, chips, and a bread. 29 euros or 3,500 kroner.
25 pounds.
25 pounds. So this is 25 pounds for this. Expensive. Can you imagine a soup, a fries, and a bread worth 25 pounds?
You're in an island.
It is expensive. Soup, fries, and a bread is 25 pounds. Look at this. Icelandic boots.
Fur boots.
And the dried fish is 1,350, 1,490. That's a dried fish. That's a delicacy here in Iceland. We're going to go to the church. Overlooking the back.
Wow, are we gonna go outside?
Oh,
You've
this is
seen the park.
lovely. There's no one here. It's just us. So for dinner, we have hot dog. I'm cooking. And some spam again. And we have yogurt. This is our last day here in Vec, and we are going back to Reykjavik. Yeah, say goodbye to this beautiful place. Look at our view. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lance. Bye-bye, Daddy. Let's go now. Bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. Goodbye, people. This is my bag. Okay. This is the car. It's a shame we're going now. It's still raining. We're now going to the Black Sand Beach. It's windy and raining, so this is how I look. is an open sea.
No, it's not open sea, but like a golf. Because that side is where the black beach is.
We're in Dolores. You turn right daw. Is it this way? Bakit nahirapan sila? We are now on our way up. This is so scary. It says we're not, cars not allowed, only the 4x4. Hi, buds. Going down now. No, there's no car that's coming up. We're now back in Reykjavik after how many hours drive, Daddy?
2 hours.
After 2 hours from back, we're going to Harpa. That's the building opposite us. I can see blue, yellow, purple, all the colors, I think. It's a beautiful building. Oh, that's beautiful. We're here now in the famous hot stand.
What kind of soda you want?
Sprite.
It's a hot dog.
Just one Sprite. Just,
Yeah.
just you take Sprite.
Is it good? Masarap ano? Yeah.
Video stop. There's a lot of people here. Shakil. Next to Radisson Blue.
It's like a souvenir shop. And look at this. It's on the right side, almost near. We're currently here in Reykjavik chips because Lance wants one.
Why can't we eat inside?
We're gonna have it in. Oh, he can't eat inside, Daddy. He wants to eat.
The orange soda.
This is the comfort apartment. There is free fruit, brownies, and some bread. There's the kitchen.
Where's the charger?
We have free snacks. Look at that. This is the bed. It's all about Northern Light. Let me see. This is the toilet. So for tonight, our last dinner in Iceland is these noodles. And we have some yogurt, some cold cuts, and fruit salad. Good morning. We're going now. Taking our flight at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we woke up 5. Everything is ready. Our bag. Off we go. To the airport. We're going now. This is our apartment, comfort for you, in Iceland. Look at the surroundings. It looks like the sun is coming out. This is Keflavik, towards the airport.
After 300 meters, cross the roundabout. Second exit, Adalkota.
Make sure when you rent a car, you have to refill the fuel. Otherwise, you're gonna pay loads of money. Here is the gas station. This is where we get the car. There's so many car rentals here. From here up to there, this is on the right side of the airport. The airport is just there. There's a free shuttle bus that will take you into this area. Hello guys, we're just waiting for our shuttle bus going to the airport. We returned our car. There we are.
People of the universe, and we're outside of the Glacier building, which is one of the car rentals, of the many car rentals you can get here in Iceland and in Keflavik airport. We've just returned our car, which is over there, over there somewhere. And now we're gonna go to the airport terminal and do our check-in stuff and go back to Britain. Bye bye, and thank you for watching Life Will Travel.
And bye-bye. Thank you all for watching. We had a lovely time here in Iceland. Please like and subscribe if you like our videos.
Hello.
The end. Breakfast, some coffee, avocado sandwich. So yummy.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
This is a geothermal spa. All of the elements are silica, sulfur, and algae.
So we're now applying our
It's in the
skincare. This is silica mud mask. This is good for the skin. This is our second destination, the Hallgrímskirkja Church. We're gonna see the skyline of Reykjavik.
Morning, and it's day 2 in Iceland. We are going to the Golden Circle.
We've arrived here in Thingvellir National Park.
Here is the waterfall.
We are now here in the volcanic crater. They're coming to me! This way. Skogafoss.
Here is the Skogafoss Glacier. It will erupt every 5 or 6 to 10 minutes.